रोज बोले जाने वाले वाक्य। डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। हम प्लास्टिक का उपयोग हजारों चीजें बनाने के लिए कर सकते हैं। We can use plastic to make thousands of things. We can use plastic to make thousands of things. उसने प्लेटें धोकर साफ कर दी। She washed the plates clean. She washed the plates clean. वे फुटबॉल खेलते थे। They played football. They played football. मैं तबला बजा सकता हूँ। I can play the tabla. I can play the tabla. बाघ का किरदार कौन निभा रहा है? Who is playing the tiger? Who is playing the tiger? वह अपना सारा समय खेलने में बिताता है। He spends all his time in play. He spends all his time in play. हम सब नाटक देखने गए। We all went to see the play. We all went to see the play. हम खेल के मैदान के 3 चक्कर लगाते हैं। We make 3 rounds of the playground. We make 3 rounds of the playground. कृपया मुझे अपनी किताब दिखाओ। Show me your book, please. Show me your book, please. कृपया मेरे लिए थोड़ा पानी लाओ। Please bring me some water. Please bring me some water. राजा किसान के काम से प्रसन्न हुआ। The king was pleased with the farmer's work. The king was pleased with the farmer's work. उन्हें वृद्ध लोगों के लिए काम करने में खुशी मिलती है। She takes pleasure in working for the old people. She takes pleasure in working for the old people. हमें कीचड़ से होकर गुजरना पड़ा। We had to plod through the mud. We had to plod through the mud. हम लोहे के हल का उपयोग करते हैं। We use an iron plow. We use an iron plow. किसान वर्षा ऋतु से पहले अपने खेतों की जुताई करते हैं। Farmers plow their fields before the rainy season. Farmers plow their fields before the rainy season. भयानक हैरी भालू के बाल नोचता है। Harry the horrible plucks the bear's hair. Harry the horrible plucks the bear's hair. प्रेमा ने पेंसिल अपनी जेब में रख ली। Prima put the pencil in her pocket. Prima put the pencil in her pocket. कविता को जोर से पढ़ें। Read the poem aloud. Read the poem aloud. घड़ी की सुइयां समय की ओर इशारा करती हैं। The hands of the clock point to the time. The hands of the clock point to the time. इन बिंदुओं का उपयोग करके एक कहानी लिखें। Write a story using these points. Write a story using these points. जहर की उस बोतल को मत छुओ। Don't touch that bottle of poison. Don't touch that bottle of poison. वे खंभे के चारों ओर दौड़ रहे थे। They were running round the pole. They were running round the pole. पुलिस लोगों की मदद करती है। Police help the people. Police help the people. पुलिस वाले ने सीटी बजाई। The policeman blew his whistle. The policeman blew his whistle. क्या आप जूते पॉलिश करना जानते हैं? Do you know how to polish shoes? Do you know how to polish shoes? दूसरों के प्रति विनम्र रहें। Be polite to others. Be polite to others. एक मेढक तालाब के किनारे बैठा था। A frog was sitting by the pond. A frog was sitting by the pond. छोटा भाई गरीब था। The younger brother was poor. The younger brother was poor. बेचारा घोड़ा बहुत भूखा था। The poor horse was very hungry. The poor horse was very hungry. मछली ने अपना सिर समुद्र से बाहर निकाला। The fish popped up its head out of the sea. The fish popped up its head out of the sea. इस पहेली को सुलझाना संभव नहीं है। It's not possible to solve this puzzle. It's not possible to solve this puzzle. डाकिया हमारे पत्र लाता है। The postman brings our letters. The postman brings our letters. ये बर्तन बहुत छोटे हैं। These pots are very small. These pots are very small. हमने 2 किलो आलू खरीदे। We bought 2 kilos of potatoes. We bought 2 kilos of potatoes. उन्होंने दरवाजा जोर से खटखटाया। They pounded on the door. They pounded on the door. वह मिर्च पीस रही थी। She was pounding chilies. She was pounding chilies. केले के टुकड़ों पर थोड़ा दूध डालें। Pour some milk on the pieces of the banana. Pour some milk on the pieces of the banana. उसमें पहाड़ों को हिलाने की शक्ति थी। He had the power to move mountains. He had the power to move mountains. इन बच्चों को अधिक अभ्यास की आवश्यकता है। These children need more practice. These children need more practice. बच्चों ने गीत का बहुत अच्छा अभ्यास किया। The children practiced the song very well. The children practiced the song very well. सभी ने बहादुर लड़के की प्रशंसा की। Everyone praised the brave boy. Everyone praised the brave boy. भगवान से प्रार्थना करो, वह तुम्हारी मदद करेगा। Pray to God, he will help you. Pray to God, he will help you. स्कूल की शुरुआत प्रार्थना से होती है। School begins with a prayer. School begins with a prayer. उसने एक समय सारणी तैयार की। She prepared a timetable. She prepared a timetable. सभी बच्चे परीक्षा के लिए उपस्थित थे। All the children were present for the test. All the children were present for the test. अब हम एक नाटक प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं. Now we are going to present a play. Now we are going to present a play. उसने घंटी का बटन दबाया. He pressed the button of the bell. He pressed the button of the bell. उस आदमी ने ऐसा नाटक किया कि वह मर चुका है. The man pretended he was dead. The man pretended he was dead. वह बहुत सुंदर थी. She was very pretty. She was very pretty. इस पुस्तक का मूल्य 40 रुपये है. The price of this book is rupees 40. The price of this book is rupees 40. उसने गुब्बारे में पिन चुभो दी. She pricked the balloon with a pin. She pricked the balloon with a pin. राजकुमार बहुत बहादुर था. The prince was very brave. The prince was very brave. क्या आप जानते हैं कि किताबें कैसे छपती हैं? Do you know how books are printed? Do you know how books are printed? प्रथम पुरस्कार किसे मिला? Who got the first prize? Who got the first prize? स्कूल में एक विशेष कार्यक्रम था. There was a special program in the school. There was a special program in the school. तुम्हें अपना वादा निभाना होगा. You must keep your promise. You must keep your promise. मुझसे वादा करो कि तुम हमेशा सच बोलोगे. Promise me that you will always tell the truth. Promise me that you will always tell the truth. वाक्यों को उचित क्रम में रखें. Put the sentences in the proper order. Put the sentences in the proper order. मुझे अपने देश पर गर्व है. I am proud of my country. I am proud of my country. दराज को बाहर खींचो. Pull the drawer out. Pull the drawer out. बिल्ली की पूंछ मत खींचो. Don't pull the cat's tail. Don't pull the cat's tail. मटर, सेम, चना सभी दालें हैं. Peas, beans, gram are all pulses. Peas, beans, gram are all pulses. इस पंप का उपयोग कुएं से पानी खींचने के लिए किया जाता है. This pump is used to draw water from the well. This pump is used to draw water from the well. टायर में हवा भरें. Pump air into the tire. Pump air into the tire. उसकी बेटी ने उसे एक बड़ा कद्दू दिया. Her daughter gave her a large pumpkin. Her daughter gave her a large pumpkin. यह टायर पंचर हो गया है. This tire is punctured. This tire is punctured. हाथी ने दुष्ट भेड़िए को दंड दिया. The elephant punished the wicked wolf. The elephant punished the wicked wolf. उन्हें सजा के तौर पर खेल के मैदान का चक्कर लगाना पड़ा. They had to make a round of the playground as punishment. They had to make a round of the playground as punishment. ये पिल्ले 6 सप्ताह के हैं. These puppies are 6 weeks old. These puppies are 6 weeks old. इस दीवार को बनाने का उद्देश्य क्या है? What's the purpose in building this wall? What's the purpose in building this wall? तुमने ऐसा जानबूझकर किया. You did that on purpose. You did that on purpose. उसके पर्स में एक छोटा सा दर्पण था. There was a small mirror in her purse. There was a small mirror in her purse. वो इस बोर्ड को क्यों आगे बढ़ा रहा है? Why is he pushing this board? Why is he pushing this board? उसने कलम अपनी जेब में रख ली. He put the pen in his pocket. He put the pen in his pocket. हमने वाक्यों को उचित क्रम में रखा. We put the sentences in the proper order. We put the sentences in the proper order. लड़कों ने पतंगों पर पूंछ लगा दी. The boys put tails on the kites. The boys put tails on the kites. उसे किसने अंदर डाला? Who put her in? Who put her in? उसने अपना नाम अपनी नोटबुक पर लिख लिया. He put his name on his notebook. He put his name on his notebook. खिलौने दूर रखें. Put the toys away. Put the toys away. निकिता ने स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पहन ली. Nikita put on the school uniform. Nikita put on the school uniform. यह प्रश्न अपने 5 दोस्तों से पूछें. Put this question to 5 of your friends. Put this question to 5 of your friends. इस पुस्तक में कई पहेलियां हैं. There are many puzzles in this book. There are many puzzles in this book.